Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I know I haven't posted in like 2 months, but today I'm playing War Thunder, and I'm actually playing the Mig-23 ML. It's a premium aircraft, so I'm trying to grind out USSR. I already did basically USA, so now I'm trying to just do USSR. And this video is just gonna be a video just in the Mig-23 ML. Also, if I sound a little weird, it's because I'm sick, so. Oh, flare that. Woo, man, that was way too close for comfort. No, I shouldn't have gotten greedy there. Ah, that was so close. I'm hit. Okay, we're doing kind of bad here. Let's not do that. I'm not trying to talk a lot because I'm trying to like focus in. Oh my god, that's like direct after me. Okay. Seems like the F-14 really does not like me. Excuse me? Like, oh, nah, bro. It's like, I swear, this game, it gives you chaff, right? It's like, oh, here's some chaff. So you can, you know, not get hit by radar missiles. And then you'll flare and chaff. And then you'll get hit by a radar missile. So it's like, bro, you literally are basically lying to me. Anyways, let's get to the next match. Okay, so here it is, my loadout right here. I'm using this one. Yep, basically that's it. Okay, let's see if we got a down tier. Please down tier. Please down tier. No, this is the opposite what I was wanting. This F-16s. This might be a little bit weird. Hey, there's a fellow Mig-23 ML though. Oh, there's a Mig-29 too. Alright. Let's get that guy with the other Mig-23 ML. What is his name? This side, I think. Let's see what level he is. Okay, he's level 97. Nice. If you guys don't know, I'm level 100 in this game because I'm just that guy. I just never posted a video on this game yet, which I should be doing. I also should be doing some collabs with my friends. Hopefully. Oh, what, Mig-23 ML? What are you doing? Let me check my Discord real quick. Wait. Okay. Let me make sure it's recording, right? Yeah, it is. Better freaking launch a missile at that guy. Nah, play. What's like the max range thing to be at? 4.30 kilometers, all aspect. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Sorry about my voice again. It's gonna be like a little bit kind of like raspy or whatever. flying the smoke. Alright, we're doing it. We're flying in the volcano smoke. What if you actually flew into the volcano? I wonder. Like you just flew inside of it. Oh. You die. I'll type down so we don't get hit by a radar missile. I can't get an eye on anybody. Oh, wait. I was saying that, but I saw the F-16. It's like, I was being kind of stupid. F-16's dead. Holy. There's like a mini Vulcan right there. I thought that looks pretty cool. Come on, don't be greedy. I don't want to launch. I don't want to launch. Let's turn around. Let's try getting a launch off this FRS over here. No, give us a lock. Come on, game. Come on, no. Don't do it now. Don't do it now. It's fine. It's a kill. Nice. We also don't talk about the kill message I have. Yeah, you should not talk about that. Okay, let's get a little greedier. Let's get greedy. Come on. Come on, give me that F4S. That F4S is literally like fresh meat right there. Oh, he's dead. I'm gonna pull off. Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm dead. No, I'm not. I'm good. I'm actually alive. So I'm not. Ah, crap. Ah, I missed. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Nice, that was a nice kill on that guy. Oh, let's go! Nice. No! Give me a lock. No! Where did that guy even come from? I swear. Hey, at least we got 2 kills in a match. I'll take that, you know? I'll take that 2 kills. I'll take those 2 kills. $10,000 research away. Alright, so same match. Ooh, buddy. I suck at aiming. At least I got 2 kills though. At least I got 2 kills. Even though I like dog at aiming. Why is there an A4E early here? What the heck? I think we got a little bit. No. Oh my god, that 14 got it down to though, I think. I think that 14 got it down to. Hope he did. I'm gonna give this guy a good slap. Bow! Oh! Dang it, I tried giving him like a slap. Alright, what about this F4S? F4S, give me a hug. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. No! Stop it. Alright, you know, I think this is alright map. Watch this. It's fine. Next victim. find anybody. Well, no, well, at least I know that I'm really fast, so I'm probably just here before him. You know, I'm just like that. No. Our guys to my right. Yeah, how did I know? How did I know? Yeah, that guy won't even see this one coming. Freak, he saw it coming. It's alright, we'll take that. Oh my god, we take those. No, we don't. We don't like taking those though. Oh, that sucked. That was a bad missile. You good? No. Doesn't look like I'm good. Oh my god. Oh, crap. We might be dead here. I also can't freaking flap. Use my flaps. Had a kill? Wait. Yes. No, he had. Oh, yes! Yes, ignore his flares. That's what we like to see, baby. Oh, that was such a bad shot. That's okay. Who's by us? Oh, shoot! Launch anywhere. Nah, you're trying to steal that man's kill. I like how I still flared that. Oh my god. I was just toying with them at that moment. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, how close are we? Oh! Yeah, we're boosting that research. Nah, we're boosting that research. It's fine. Let's go. Oh my god, it costs so much. It's fine. Oh my god, of course I have to purchase this. It's fine. It's fine. I can easily regain the SL back. Hey, we have the SU-9 now. Wait, we have the SU-9 now. Let's go. Oh god, the LA-200 kind of sucks. We have the Yak-15. But no, it doesn't even have a single missile. I think doesn't this have a missile? Yeah, this one has a missile, but I know the German version doesn't. Like, Germany sucks. Doesn't have as much. Okay, we should use this. Okay, let's see if we got any Discord messages left. Alright, so you have now took it off. Let's go, man. Okay, guys, so I'm back. And we have now entered the combat zone. Let's just try to get a lock. Boom. That's a perfect lock. He's not even seeing it coming. He's not even seeing it coming. He's not even seeing it coming. You're dead. You're dead, kid. Oh my god. I'm that guy. Okay, guys, so we're about there. And everyone's kind of like to the right, so they're all kind of far away. I suppose we gotta turn more. Probably the best idea. Oh wait, hold on. There are 2 planes over there though. Well, there's an F4J coming after us though. We can't take the risk. Double kill. Double kill! Oh, what the heck is wrong with this game? No. Bruh. Nah, if I launch a missile, he's just gonna flare. Like he's doing right now. Why are you attacking the bots? Okay. That was a little weird. Yeah, get him, Mig-23. Do not steal that kill. Okay, good. Because I was gonna say, if he steals that kill, I'm killing him. I'm killing him. Alright, we got 2 kills this map so far. We're doing pretty good. Let's go. We got Hector from that game, didn't we? Didn't we? Two kills, I'll take that, you know? Not as good as like 4 kills or anything, but you know, I'll take that. Okay, this is like perfectly tiered, yeah? Maybe. Yo, Xbox does not want me to break my moving streak. Missile, it's such a bad missile. Okay, hold on, let's go low, let's go low. We won't get hit by that if we go low. I hate this game. Yeah. How much you may ask? A lot. We can hit that F-14. Oh. Okay. Well, at least we got hit by it like a little bit. Not too much, but hey. We're still flying. Still flying. See, this thing doesn't bleed speed like the Mig-21 laser. Oh, 6C? Oh, oh my god, bro! I could have swore I flared that. Alright, well, that's gonna be it for this video. You guys saw me do a couple matches with this. But would I recommend it? Maybe. It depends. See, I'm still kind of trying to learn how to play it. But again, it just depends on if you want to do it or not. So, yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Maybe another War Thunder video. Anyways, peace.